Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be setting up the Tangem 2.0 card on the Tangem application. Let's get going. So let's click onto this. Meet Tangem, scan. Oh, so yeah, you can order a card from here directly. Scan the card. Okay, showing a little bit of stuff there. But yeah, let's scan the card anyway. Ready to use. Tap the card as shown above and hold. It says NFC. There we go. Tangem wallet, blah 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 blah. Terms of service. I don't know if anybody ever reads this, but yeah. Create wallet. So there's actually multiple ways that you can create a wallet. There's other options here. Use a seed phrase. You can import your own seed phrase. Generate a seed phrase. If you generate a seed phrase, you'll get 12 words from the BIP39 word list that come on your actual device. Whereas if you import one, that's if you have 24 word or 12 word, 18 word seed phrase already that you can import onto this. I don't recommend that for this wallet, because one of the USPs of this wallet is the fact that the private keys are all generated within the card itself, or within the security element. Now the thing is, yeah, I'm not going to do that. Therefore, I'm just going to create a wallet now. Tap that. Ready to scan. Excellent! Already, an error has occurred. An error occurred during the operation code 2002. Okay, let's try again. Tap the card as shown above. Don't know why it's showing me to move my phone. Interesting. Activation error. Please repeat the operation. The card will be reset to factory settings. Okay, yeah, that's fine. You tapped a different card. Please tap. Why do I need to tap? Oh, okay, yeah. Now I think it's to reset the card. I don't know why it needed to do that, but it's taking 15 seconds now to do the first card. That's that done. I'm going to add a backup card, obviously. That's the whole reason I got 3 cards. Put that there. Connect your phone and card you want to use. That doesn't make no sense. I have the card there. Okay, that's a bit odd. Let's add another backup. I think we need to memorize the order that we've done this in. Finalize the backup. So yeah, that's another thing. I actually asked support a question regarding the fact, can I add more cards than just 2 backups? But realistically, if I wanted 5, I could potentially like just give my wife one. And you could use cases, for example, I can put money into my Tangem card and my wife and I can both use it as like a joint account or something like this. Because obviously, I personally, I'm not going to be holding a lot of crypto in this. This is a daily use card in my opinion. This isn't something that you hodl with. Anyways, create the access code. Yeah. Okay. Do you know what? For this test, I'm just going to do 0000. Default password. Choose passphrase 000. Submit. Scan the primary card, which was this. For 15 seconds again. Interesting. So the only way you can access this card is through your access code. So obviously don't be silly and have a 4-digit password. I would recommend at least 20 characters at bare minimum. Usually I go for 30 plus. That's just me. Anyways, now I believe we have to do an order. Backup card 1, which is this. Scan the card. Maybe I'm doing it too quickly. Well, they do advertise and say that it takes 3 minutes. or around 3 minutes. I don't understand. Lol. Can you see the image in the back? It's telling you to swipe it. There we go. I just set it like that. To be fair, I thought it'd be a less strenuous setup process. To me, this still, I don't know if I want to say complicated. It's just, I expected it to be more seamless. I'm not really happy with the way this is having to work. Yeah, it seems simple, but let me explain. There's other wallets, obviously, which obviously have different use cases. This is the NFC one. You just generate some words, and that's how you import your wallet. I guess this is an everyday use card, so this process, yeah, that's fine. Just a quick note, right? Okay, allow Face ID. Yeah, let's not allow that for now. But continue to my wallet. Excellent. Okay. So that's basically the setup process there. What I was going to mention was the fact that if you were to lose all 3 cards, your private key is gone with the way I just set it up. However, nobody knows what the private key is, which is excellent. This is the best form of security. Why? You don't even know yourself what the private key is. So how can your private key get stolen? Or how can you accidentally expose your private key? Okay, this is the best form of security. However, as I mentioned, if you lose all 3 cards, game over. You've lost all your funds. I personally would not use this as a long-term holding hardware wallet. I've got another one here. I'll just quickly show. This is an engrave. To be fair, I don't even know if I recommend this. I'll do another video on this. But this is an engrave hardware wallet. That's apparently got the best security, but I'll discuss that in another video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do pop a thumbs up. Comment down below. I'll try to get back to you. And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Don't forget to click that notification bell button so you know when I release a new video. And don't forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you next time.